Today we're tying probably the simplest hijab you will ever tie. It's so easy. My light is going on and off because my window is directly behind the camera, and that's the light that I'm using to shoot this. Hopefully the sun doesn't go down before this wraps up. Anywho guys, we're going to be tying a simple hijab. The hijab of course is by gele.com. There's a link right here. You just click on it, it will send you directly to the site. This particular hijab that I'm using is called Nkoleka. Let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so we are tying our hijab today, and I've seen this style around. It just seems super duper easy, that everybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So I'm going to get one of my trusted old hijab. This is Nkoli. And we've worn Nkoli a couple of times, actually more than a couple of times, so you can see there is definitely the wrinkles and oceanosigea on it. If you like, you can always steam this, just add a little bit of heat to straighten out the wrinkles, but you'll be adding even more wrinkles this time around, so there's no need to straighten it. Just if you have one that looks like this, you can use it. So what I will do for this one is I'm going to fold it in half, just like so, and then this this raw end, I'm going to fold that inwards, and then as I'm folding, I'll show you guys. Let me turn this around. I'm going to just add about 3 pleats. You see that? And to add your pleats, you use the rest of your fingers to bring this up a little bit. You've got the first one, you press it down. You get the second one, you press it down, and you get the third one. Easy peasy. So you have 3 pleats now. And just do it however you find easiest to work with. So now I have 3 pleats, like so. You guys see that? So once you create your 3 pleats, you can start tying your hijab. So the very middle of this that you folded, you want that to just match your forehead. So you just grab that, directly place that on your forehead. I'm telling you guys, this style is so easy. Anybody can tie it. So you want something like this, and I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. So you can see the back is just bunched up like so. You're going to just tie a knot there at the back. And I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing. But if you're not, just know that I'm tying a knot, just 1 knot at the back. Just like so. And then turn around. I have to like swing myself all the way around. I'm in one of those swivel chairs. So this is what you have. This is the hardest part, trust me. So you tie your knots, just making sure. I always like to have my ears covered. Some people don't like that. It makes them feel like they can't hear, but I prefer to have my ears covered. Okay guys, so once you have your knots tied in the back, all you have to do is this 2 ends right here, you just twist it. You just twist it against itself, and once you're done with your twisting, you just make sure your knot in the back is not too tight, because the goal is not to give yourself a headache. So I always adjust in the back so that I'll be able to wear my hijab the entire time I plan on wearing it. Okay, so once you're done twisting this against itself, you just tie it. You just tie it in front and then style it exactly as you want it. So we will lean to the left hand side here. Okay, so this is what we have. You know what? I want to retwist this end so it looks cute. I think it felt a little loose. So twist, twist, twist. and then we tie. And I tell you guys, that's it. That's it. You double knot if you want to, and then the edge that is in, that you can see, you just slightly fan that out. Boom, you are done. Before I head out, I'll go to the mirror and make sure that everything looks exactly as it should. It's difficult to see myself, and the visual thing is so far away. I can see my gestures, but I can hardly see what I look like in focus. So anyway, that's what it looks like, guys. We are finished. If I adjust this and it looks significantly different from what you're seeing, I'll come back and show you guys what my final echafa looks like. But boom, 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 we're done. That's it. So I did a quick mirror check and looks good. I don't have to adjust anything. The only thing I'm doing now is just putting on my jewelry. I've got my earrings, and I was thinking about a necklace to put on, but I don't think I need one. This one just permanently stays on my neck, but I don't think I need any necklace because of this jewelry situation we have here. So that's it, guys. If you guys like this video, you would like to see more like it, go ahead and give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.